This is a room tour of room 153 of the Crowne Plaza at the N.E.C, Birmingham, right by the Resorts World. As you come in, they got a toilet, nice sink area, nice big mirror, products on the wall, your toilet, and then you've got products on the wall there, and a bath and shower combination with a little shower screen. And then we've got a wardrobe with an iron and an ironing board and a safe and a fridge. Hopefully you can see that, it's a bit dark in there, but we've got the safe and fridge. And as we continue on, there's just this luggage. We've got a big telly. We've got a coffee maker, which is nice, and cups and everything. Little table to do your makeup on with a mirror, which is nice. And then you got your big king size bed. See if I can zoom out a little bit so you can see it. There you go. So you've got your king size bed, and then you've got another table and chairs, and you've got bedside table. You've got plugs on the wall that have got USB and USB-C. So that's good. And then we're only on the first floor, so that's our little view out of the window. Nothing amazing. We paid about 80 quid for this. So I'll put the... Sorry? 69. I'm reliably informed. Jess is telling me. So £69. It's £10 per night for parking. But yeah, it looks a quite nice room, so it will do us for our little meet up at Resorts World this weekend. So thought I'd do a little room tour. So I shall put up the room type if I find it, because we've apparently been given an upgrade, so I'm not entirely sure what this room type is, but I'll try and find it online and I'll have it put at the bottom. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.